Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Farah, and yes, I've been receiving and I've been seeing a lot of comments like meron sila mga kanya-kanyang story na sa buhay. And I know that I am still into social media. I am using it for my job. Alhamdulillah, we still have a lot of endorsements as well. So, like for me, I only share the things that I want to share, especially when it comes to my journey, especially sa aking work. Yun po, sinishare ko yan. But the personal things, I don't think I owe anybody na para i-share yon. Like, if I want to, then I will. Pero kung hindi, hindi ko po i-share. So, let's all try to be more nice, especially when commenting on social media, no? Because I've been seeing a lot, not with me, alhamdulillah, but I've been seeing a lot, like, for example, yung kabayan natin, may nangyayari sa kabayan natin, i-expose nyo pa, i-post nyo pa, which is not good. So, we are Muslims, no? Alhamdulillah. So, if you are a Muslim, if you are following Islam, you know that backbiting is the worst thing that you can do, and it's like, I'm always sharing this, it's like eating the flesh of your brothers and sisters. So please stop. Like, if you know that someone is suffering from this thing, then just guide them. You can message them privately, or just don't say anything about it, especially in social media. Kasi ang pansin ko ngayon sa social media, like, pag pangit, may isyong pangit, sobrang viral. Pag merong magaganda or meron tayong mga ituturo, is hindi naman siya masyado nag-viral, no? So sana ang mas manaig sa ating lahat is yung love and kindness. Be kind all the time, kasi hindi natin alam kung ano yung experience ng mga tao. Bawat isa sa atin meron po tayong dinadala. So inshallah, let's be more kind with each other, no? Yun lang po. Na-share ko lang kasi parang tuloy-tuloy yung comments din sa akin. And ayun, alhamdulillah, ngayon ang peaceful na po dito sa Pakistan. And ayun, pinakinggan yung mga prayers natin. Alhamdulillah. And all I can say is that Pakistan is such a beautiful country, and everyone is very warm, welcoming. They're very hospitable. Same lang sa Pilipinas po, kung totoosin. So, yun lang po. Sana po lahat po ay okay, inshallah. And see you on my next videos. Umasalam.